Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to give you an outfit idea for free and dress to impress for tea time theme. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and also this makeup look, and you're going to go to the corset area and wear this corset. And for the corset, you're going to color it this one for the second selection, and for the third and fourth selection as well. You can color it this one, and we're going to wear this sleeves, color it the same. Okay, and then you're going to wear this heel, and I'm going to color it white. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the stocking area and then wear the stocking. Okay, and I'm going to go to the necklace area, and then I'm going to wear this necklace. Okay, and then color the second selection with the same color. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to the dressing room, and I'm going to wear currency item, this one, and you can apply this pattern. Okay, and for the next selection, you can apply this color. Okay, and we're going to use code items. You're going to choose this bag. Okay, and then I'm just going to color it white for the first selection, and for the next selection I'm going to color green. Okay, for the ribbon as well. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Oops, sorry, I'm going to put one more accessory. This is not the final result. I'm going to go to the hat area. It's over here, and then I'm going to wear this cup. Okay, and apply this pattern. Okay, this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.